Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. Are you ready, toddlers? Do you want to learn the animal names? Let's start. This is an angry bird. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, toddlers? Let's start. The first one is a gorilla. This is a gorilla. G is for gorilla. This is a hen. H is for hen. This is a rooster. R is for rooster. This is a panda. P is for panda. This is a camel. C is for camel. This is a cat. This is a cat. C is for cat. This is elephant. E is for elephant. This is a giraffe. G is for giraffe. This is a donkey. This is a peacock.